You can sort multiple columns in an Excel table. Active any cell of table. In Data tab, Sort and Filter group. Click Sort button. The Sort dialog box opens. First delete this row. Click Add Label button. Click Column arrow button. Select first name. Remain same cell values and remain same order. You can add up to 64 sort fields. Again click Add Label button. Click Column arrow button. Select date. Remain same order. Again click Add Label button. Click Column arrow button. Select price items. Remain same cell values. Click Order arrow button. Select largest to smallest. Click OK. Three columns are sorted by using multiple options. First, Excel sorts the table records in an ascending order by the first name field. Then within each first name field, in oldest to newest order by the date field, and then within each date field, in largest to smallest order by the price items field. This first sort field is called primary sort field. This second sort field is called secondary sort field. This third sort field is called tertiary sort field. In this way, you can sort multiple columns by using multiple sort options.